Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to align text bottom middle in Excel text box. Let's get started. At first you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to align text bottom middle. At first go to the insert menu, select the text box option and draw a text box. You can write anything. Now I am write some text. Then select the text, click and drag on our mouse and go back the home menu. You can increase the font size. Now we want to align the bottom middle. Select this bottom option and choose the center. Now we can see we make the text alignment into text box bottom middle or center easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.